what's left is right.
You're watching just a short video of Kelley's Outdoor Adventures, the RV Drifters. We're just going to take a bike ride. Debbie and I are staying at a campground just outside of Tucson, Arizona.
All right, let's get the bicycles off and go for a ride in the desert. The right key. Okay. Thank you, Debbie. I had the wrong keys. And thank you, dog, for barking in my video. But I have the right key and we unlocked, so we can go bike riding.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
All right, now that we've got the bikes off, let's go for a bike ride. Okay, so I'm all suited up and ready to take off. We'll see how this works.
Gilbert Ray Campground has 3 distinct loops. Loop A, C, and H. Loop A is the largest and it is opened year-round. The other 2 loops do close during what they call the off-season. And we couldn't have picked better weather for this bike ride.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same.
If you only ride your bike inside the campground, there's enough beauty and scenery to enjoy it. But we're going to go a little bit further. We're going to head clear out to the entrance and head down the road.
A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine,
I'm at the main road and I'm going to turn left and go on the West McCain Loop and ride for a few miles. camera at this angle just so you can see how rough the road was with these so-called repairs. I tend to favor campgrounds that fly their American flag and their state flag in a nice display, in a nice, they've taken time to make it look good. Hey, and in case you missed it, I did put out a full video last week on this Gilbert Ray and Saguaro National Park area. If you missed it, go back and check it out.
Gilbert Ray Campground.
Debbie and I took a day trip and went into Costco in downtown Tucson. And I gotta tell you, I didn't ride it, but it looks like downtown Tucson has an awesome bike trail. I'll have to come back just to do that bike trail alone. It looked pretty awesome. I want to thank everybody for watching our videos. And as always, and until next time, cheers, everybody.